Welcome to the Moonbeam Ignite Getting Started on Moonwell tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to supply your digital assets to Moonwell and claim your Moonbeam Ignite Glimmer rewards. First, navigate to moonwell.fi and click on Start Lending. To get started, click the Connect Wallet button. Moonwell supports many popular wallet options. For this example, we will be selecting MetaMask. Now that we're connected, let's check out the available lending markets on Moonwell. Navigate to the Markets page by clicking the Markets link on the top nav bar. Here, we can see what assets are available to lend and borrow on Moonwell. For this example, we are going to be lending Glimmer. Here, we can see a detailed overview of the Glimmer market on Moonwell. To start lending, simply enter the amount you would like to deposit and click Supply. Confirm your transaction in the Moonwell app and in your wallet. Claiming rewards on Moonwell is easy. By hovering over the tooltip, you can see the exact amount of Well and Moonbeam Ignite Glimmer that you will receive when claiming rewards. Locate and click the Claim button within the Rewards panel to receive your rewards. Confirm your transaction in the Moonwell app and in your wallet. When you're ready to withdraw your assets from Moonwell, click Withdraw from the top of this modal. Input the amount you would like to withdraw, click the Withdraw button, and confirm the withdrawal in the Moonwell app and your wallet. Now we can see that our Glimmer has been withdrawn from Moonwell and is back in our wallet.